Hello and welcome to What Earnings. This is our mobile application, and so here we have the portfolio, which is supposed to show your amount of balance that you have currently in the wallet. And right now it's not working because you don't have any money in it. So, yep, that's the first part. Then we have the send request right here, which is you can send the money using the email of whatever the person that you're sending the money to. If they're registered with our application, then they are in our database. And so if you enter their email here and a description, it will send the money to them. Then you have the deposit here. The deposit doesn't work. We never really got time to set it up. And the recent transactions also is going to show all your transactions. And that one also we didn't get to set up just because there's no transactions occurring, and as well as the API calls were limited. Okay, on to the next one, which is the calendar. Okay, so calendar. So this one, we have the earnings for separate stocks. And so for today, we had multiple different companies with earnings coming up, such as Persona 5, Trilogy, Royati, and all these other companies right here. And then we have the week, which shows you the week's worth of stocks right here. And then the month is separated into 3 weeks. So if you click on this one, it'll show you the first week. This one will show you the second week. And the third one will show you the third week. Okay, next we have our search, which, so if you type in TS here, it'll not give you a network request failed. It'll give you the name of the stock, which is Tenaris. So if you click on here, it should load up the actual stock with all this information, and then what our grade for this stock for this current time is right now. So right now it's an F, which means that we don't want to buy it, or yeah, we don't want to look at it right now. So you can see all the stuff with the latest quarters, it's actual net income, market cap, shares shorted, everything else. And finally, we have the card, which is what will be created when you first create an account with us. And so if we click it, give it a second, it takes it like a second to show up. So this is the card with all the card information, the CSV, the expiration date, and your name. Future plan is to add it so it can do RF reading, so you can actually just scan it with your phone. But yeah, that's the front end side. On to Gabe. Gabe, you ready? Okay. All right. What would you like to show?
Models that we have. Moving on to our functions. These are all the functions that we utilized throughout our project. A lot of these, the bulk of them, were for that grade assignment that you saw that my partner Kush showed. So we have B bands, which are, and some other technical indicators such as RSI, AD, and OBV. These are all technical indicators that we use from Alpha Vantage, and we just have some conditions that we used by analyzing these technical indicators, looking at documentation, and we came up with these sort of point assigned values to give out a grade. Now moving on to our routes, right here is where we send all of our information from our backend to the front end, as well as from the front end to a backend. So we had to learn how to do some post and get requests, as well as just everything that goes on. It has its own route, and all of its connectivity is used. We also setup.py, where we just put in all of our imports and our libraries as well. And let's see, what else do we have? Our main. And our main file is what we use to just run our backend as
Gabe,
well.
real quick, can you go to the wallet.py? I just want to show us
Yeah,
something. So
of
this
course.
is the wallet.py is actually where the wallet's being created for Rapyd API for the wallet section. Just wanted to show you that we're importing their names, their zip codes, their countries, and stuff like that. So if you scroll down a little bit more, Gabe. So here we're also creating your card, and we're also activating the card, and we're also getting all the information for the card. And that's about it. I think we also have a transfer response that we didn't actually get to hook up to the back end, sadly. I mean, the front end, sadly. And the collect.py, which is the function that you saw, which was sending money to different wallets. Yeah, that's about it. Cool. Thank you so much for watching.